Healthy approach to losing belly fat. How do you lose belly fat? That seems to be the million-dollar question. A firm, flat stomach is the ultimate symbol of sex appeal. Nevertheless, researchers have also found that losing belly fat is one of the most important things you can take to stay healthy for life. While you probably realize that excess fat is unhealthy, you should also know that where the fat is distributed is key to health. Apple-shaped people are people who are fattest in the abdomen. They have a greater risk of heart disease and diabetes than those with pear shapes. Pear shapes are fattest in the hips, ass, and thighs. You won't be surprised to learn that the best way to lose abdominal fat is to eat right and exercise regularly. There is a growing body of evidence showing that the quickest way to burn off the fat from your belly is with a mix of weight training and aerobic exercise. One study tracked 30 obese women for 6 months. The women were assigned to either a control group, an aerobic exercise group, or a combined exercise group. The aerobic exercise group did a full hour of cardio exercise for 6 days a week. The combined exercise group did weight training on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and aerobic exercise on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. At the end of the 6-month period, the women in the aerobic group had lost 23.1 centimeters of abdominal subcutaneous fat while the combined group lost 61.8 centimeters, nearly 3 times as much. The combined group also did better on the abdominal visceral fat measure with 93 centimeters lost compared to 82 for the aerobic-only group. There was no change in the control group. Losing belly fat starts with developing a combined exercise plan that is strenuous enough to burn calories. 30 minutes a few times a week won't cut it. You need a full-body training program combining cardiovascular and resistance exercises. You don't need to do hundreds of crunches, sit-ups, or any of the complicated routines being touted by the six-pack abs hype machine. The key to losing belly fat is to burn more calories than you eat. These fancy exercises don't burn the kind of calories you need in order to be really successful. Getting killer abs has a lot less to do with training and everything to do with lowering your total body fat. The next step is to eat the right foods. There is a lot of conflicting information on nutrition. From the Atkins eat no carbs people to those who avoid all fats, there are radicals on every side. It's also important to take in enough protein to maintain muscle mass. At least 20 to 30% of your diet should come from fats. Then, you balance your carbs around the other 2 factors depending on whether you want to lose weight or not. Bottom line, if you are trying to lose belly fat, you do want to lose weight. You must take in fewer calories than you burn.